Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roos and I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad and I make videos every Wednesday. If you want to learn more about yoga, body positivity and adventuring, then check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Today I want to share with you about Fuerteventura, one of the Canary Islands that I went on holiday to with my boyfriend. And I want to share with you 5 top things to do if you're not going surfing. We actually went and expected to go surfing every day and then there were no waves and a lot of wind, as you may notice. So we had to make a new plan and we found really fun adventures. So today, 5 things you definitely should check out when you're coming to Fuerteventura. Number 1, rent a car and drive the North Shore. You'll leave all the paved roads and come onto gravel roads and then sand. It's really interesting and a little bit scary even. And find all sorts of hidden beaches and beautiful spots. You have a view of the next island over, which is called Lanzarote. And even though there are no waves, it is really fun to see and maybe to do some yoga on one of the rocky beaches. Number 2, go on a hike. We are not really hike people, but it was amazing. My boyfriend found the highest mountain that's here, and it turned out that was a 6-kilometer one-way hike. You climb all the way up about 700 or 800 meters high from basically sea level. And when you look over the edge, the other side is super steep. So basically you see the rocks falling down into the ocean. It's a really beautiful view. There are also much easier walks, like a hike to a volcano. This is volcanic land. There's one volcano that still has the circular crater at the top. Quite short, about 45 minutes one way, and you can really see the huge crater. Our favorite hike though was one that's not very well known, and it goes from a palmy kind of region in the mountains through a little narrow cliff. All the way down to a huge dam. You can walk further behind the dam into the valley and look out over beautiful palm trees. That was our favorite. So go on a hike for sure. It's nice exercise and it's also fun to see the country from a different perspective. Number 3, take a drive to Betancuria, one of the small villages that's in the center of the island. It is such a beautiful village. All the houses are super old. They're like medieval white houses with so many plants. The cafes all seem to have these jungle vibes in their terraces. So you go inside and it's like flowers everywhere and plants everywhere. Once you give them a little bit of water, they just explode. So that's definitely, go check that out. Number 4, drive to Roos, I don't know how to pronounce, which is a tiny town, but it has a beautiful black beach. The sand is magical, it's like glittering in the sunlight. You can sunbathe here. or you can go on a little adventure to the caves that are next to the beach. You can really see the ocean crashing into the caves. It's a really beautiful spot. It's a good day trip, so check that out. Number 5, we really advise you to take a taxi boat to Lobos Island. It will take you there and then pick you up 4 hours later. The island has a rule that there are only 200 people allowed on the island, so you have to book through an agency. Definitely take the taxi because it's cheaper than a tour and it will leave you there for 4 hours, so you have time to explore. If you like to go on hikes, you can do that here as well. It's a really small island off the coast of Fuerteventura, and it's said to have a lot of seals and sea lions. We didn't see any, but it's still a really beautiful island. Make sure you plan your trip so that it's high tide when you go, so you can go snorkeling in the lagoons. The turquoise waters are stunning. We chose to just sunbathe and snorkel. And then one bonus tip, of course, if you want to take a yoga class here, I took one with the lovely Elina from Windsurf Yoga. So check that out. I'll put the website below. Maybe you just like to sunbathe and there are so many beaches and pools and places to do this. Read a nice book, chill out, just enjoy your rest vacation. We're not very resty people, so we made it quite active, but enjoy whatever you do. We had a lovely time here. I hope you enjoy your time in Fuerteventura as well. If you're not going, I hope you still enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'll see you next week. Thank you. One moment, please. Excuse me while I check my list. Here.